This 2022 Alliance RV Paradigm 385FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Park City, Kansas, 67147 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Park City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Alliance RV is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.